the WKU European title. Making her way to the blue corner, Taylor Jeffrey!
Here we go. Ladies bout.
For a European title as well.
This will be a good one. 5 1.5 minute rounds. Fight before. She is very, very good. Excited to watch the fight again.
And making her way to the red corner, Rathman!
Here we go then, Rathman, representing respect, making her way to the red corner. So I have seen Knaf fight before, very technical, very slick, she picks the shots well.
I think I've seen her as well.
It's going to be a really good fight.
Coach carrying the belt of Knaf behind her there.
Once again, this is for the WKU European title. 5 rounds, 1.5 minutes each, kickboxing. Reintroducing in the blue corner, representing TASK, Task Martial Arts. She is the WKU low kick European champion. Her name is Taylor Jeffrey.
Crowd of support here tonight for Taylor.
And in the red corner, she is representing Respect Martial Arts. She is the WKU British champion. Her name is the Tasmanian Devil,
I like it, the Tasmanian Devil. What a nickname to have.
Both well decorated fighters, titles behind them. If they do it, you've got to go through those stages of working your way up through the levels to now get your shot at that European title.
100%. It's earned, it's just certainly not given in this sport.
Here we go then, in the red corner we had Knaf, and in the blue we have Taylor. Here we go then. We are ready for this one.
Here we go.
Straight away, tried to get the axe, get round there for Knaf.
Knaf lighter on her feet.
I think Taylor's just trying to find that centre of the ring.
Yeah.
Knaf's letting the punches flow. See, Knaf's has got that almost like that continuous style.
Yeah.
The mat fighting style. Very explosive. Just blocking that kick down, throwing shots over the top there from Knaf. Tyler throwing that lead leg round kick.
Lovely side kick there to the face. Tries to spin, does for Knaf, but
Doesn't
Taylor
work,
needs it.
but she finds that right hand over the top. See, Knaf just lunging in there.
Lovely 1-2 there from Knaf.
Yeah, beautiful combination there.
Picking a miss.
And that is time.
Respect from
End of
those
the first
girls there.
round.
Yeah, I feel like both we're seeing two fighters that definitely on the mat circuit as such, showing their class not only over on that side of things but in the ring. It's really good to see how they can dominate not only that side of things but also this. It's very much different from fighting on the mat to then being in the ring, using the ropes.
Yep, using the ropes, the crowd, the lights. Very much a different setup. Nowhere to run.
See there, Knaf straight in.
Taylor landing them kicks nicely. Knaf very bouncy and light on her feet. Spin and a miss.
Followed up with that round kick though. Does find the body of Taylor. Taylor trying to find that side kick. Nice sweep there from Knaf.
Oh, nice backhand as well on the break. Oh, Superman punch attempt. Taylor reads it though.
Taylor just letting a few punches of her own go there.
Like to see Taylor use some of her side kicks. That's for Knaf jumping in.
Yeah, definitely. She's got to time them perfectly, but I reckon she's got it in her.
She definitely has.
2 kicks there from Knaf.
Ref claps, doesn't carry on. Lovely spin there from Taylor. Respect again shown by
There it
both
is, the
girls.
second round. So here we go then. Tyler's making her effort here. She's showing it now. Stepping forward, putting that pressure on. Spinning back kick there from Knaf. Doesn't quite meet the target though.
A lot higher pace this round from both girls now starting.
Knaf trying to move off with that left hook. Didn't quite work for her though.
Lovely backhand there from Taylor.
Taylor just finding the range, moving rounds.
Lovely kick to the body there, scoring.
Taylor just got to throw that side kick out.
Nice. Would have been a nice head kick there. Oh, lovely side kick to the midsection by Fanaf there.
Yeah, Taylor just closing her inside there, getting a few punches on the way in.
Lovely body kick there.
Nice body shit there from Taylor.
Oh, lovely double jab there from Fanaf. Nice work into the end of round. Is that number 4?
Three,
sorry.
3.
Oh, there's still 2 left. I know that feeling.
It's really good to see. I mean, there's a lot of quality there. There's a lot of skill. There's a lot of class.
Yeah.
I think we saw Taylor find her feet in that round there. Started to move around a bit more, pick her shots wisely. Side kicks going in. Then when she did get into that clinch, she just started throwing them shots off. And I think it was really good to see.
Yeah. Fanaf taking a few deep breaths there in the corner. Big deep breaths. Oh,
Here we go then.
Big head kick to start the round there from Taylor. Fanaf on the back foot now. Taylor leading with that front leg.
Yeah, you can just see her popping it up.
Yeah, lovely work from Taylor. Both girls a little bit cagey now.
Fanaf just throwing that feint, seeing what Taylor does with it.
Lovely body kick, lovely spinning kick though from Fanaf on return.
Yeah, I think she tried the sweep there. She rescued it though, she recovered it.
Nice work from Taylor now, putting the pressure on with the hand.
Yeah, nice side kick as Taylor come in though from Fanaf.
I'd like to see Taylor flick that kick up to the head.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, full 360 there.
Yeah, I don't know what we're trying to
I don't think she
do there,
committed.
but
Oh, lovely 1-2 from Fanaf there as Taylor steps in, and a big body kick as well on the way out.
yeah, lovely combinations getting thrown in by Fanaf.
Pressing forward now, Fanaf. Oh, shot to the kidney there.
Yeah, going back over the top to the head as well.
Oh, big body
shot.
kick.
Kick even.
A lot better round from Fanaf there.
We've got 1 round left,
Yep.
so we need to see some high work right here. Everything they've got, put that work in. It's for the European title. It's not easy.
No, not at all.
Here we go then.
Round 5.
Fifth and final round. Let's see who wants it more.
Oh, spinning kick straight out of the
spinning
gate.
kick to the face. From Fanaf there. See what Taylor's got to offer back. Taylor's corner's asking her for a body shot.
Big overhand right there from Fanaf on the way out.
Pushing the pressure now, Fanaf, isn't she?
Yeah, Taylor's just trying to turn onto the ropes there.
I'd like to see Taylor push forward now, don't wait.
You've got to see Taylor just showing that side kick a bit. She's
Yeah.
turning that foot when she's about to throw it.
Big push from Kanaf there. As soon as she makes Kanaf miss, I'd like to see Taylor come back with a big kick to the body. Oh, lovely.
Yeah, Both traded there. I think a jab from both girls. Overhand right from Kanaf there. Just get into that clinch again.
Lovely 1-2 though from Kanaf. Taylor turns her off the ropes though.
Yeah, you can see Taylor just backing up every time.
Ah, what
And
a
there
fight.
it is.
Props to both girls. Again, I would not like to be a judge in this position because that was close.
Exactly. I mean, I think Kanaf might have just pulled through there.
Yeah.
A lot more aggressive. A bit more busy when they get into that, in that clinch, throwing a few more shots.
Yeah.
That side kick really would have worked well for Taylor.
100%.
Wow, can you please go crazy for the ladies? Bringing it to JackHammer UK at the Hideout Arena, Bolton. And the decision is in. Your winner by split decision and your WKU European champion is in the red corner, Rathman, the Tasmanian Devil.
Razor close fight.
Yeah, definitely.
And
Brilliant.
please give it up for Taylor Jeffrey.
Brilliant skill from both fighters.
100%.
I think Rathman was definitely on that front foot a lot more, just putting that pressure on Taylor. And she will be going home with that European title.